Okay, so you are injured on the job in Colorado, and your piece of employer goes, "Oh, sorry, even though the law requires us to carry workers' compensation insurance, we don't have any." And so, good luck with that injury. And are you off on your own up the creek without a paddle? Maybe not. Hi, my name is Britt Morrell, and I am an attorney representing injured and disabled workers in Colorado. And our law firm, Kaplan Morrell, has been helping injured workers since 1995. And so, if you are an injured worker, please hopefully watch this video. And if you enjoy it, hit the like, hit the subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, please give us a question below. We'd love to answer it. And with that, let's dive into it. Okay, so we've been talking about uninsured employers, and we've got another video, which I can link down below, about the problems of working with an employer who doesn't follow the law, doesn't have workers' compensation insurance, and how that is a difficult problem, because you might get an order, but good luck enforcing it. Good luck getting your piece of employer to pay for it when they're up to debt in their eyeballs. They have a truck that's worth $5,000 that they owe $10,000 on, and there you are stuck needing medical care, lost wages, etc. So are you SOL? And often, many times, thank goodness, the answer is no. I might be able to get you insurance coverage under workers' compensation, even though your employer doesn't have workers' compensation insurance. And how is that possible? So the law has a term, the workers' compensation law in Colorado has a term called statutory employer. I'm going to put it up there, statutory employer. And this is a good thing to have. And what that means is this company may not be your direct employer. They may not even know who you are, but you are still considered their employee for workers' compensation and purposes. How is that? So let's talk about it. Typically, most commonly, I can get this for my injured workers who are injured and they are working on new construction, some sort of new construction. Because in new construction, there's a company, I'm going to call them Big Builder, who is the general contractor. Now, Big Builder doesn't dig any holes, Big Builder doesn't pour any concrete, the Big Builder doesn't make the framing, Big Builder doesn't put in the rebar, Big Builder doesn't do anything except make sure all the companies who are supposed to be doing it do it, and do it in the order that they're supposed to and according to standards, etc. So let's say in my example, Big Builder hires Fred Framer to do the framing on the job, and then Fred Framer hires you, injured worker, and you are on the job site, you get injured on the job, and Fred Framer says, "Sorry, I don't have work comp, so sad, too bad," okay? Well, the law then says if you go to Fred Framer and Fred Framer doesn't have workers' compensation insurance, you can go to Big Builder and get covered under Big Builder's workers' compensation insurance coverage. And that is why Big Builder in this case would be considered your statutory, it's a fancy word for the law, your legal employer for workers' compensation purposes. It's complicated, it's highly detailed. Oftentimes, Big Builder doesn't even know who you are. And sometimes I even get more layers under Fred Framer, where I get, Joe Concrete hires Fred Framer hires Marco brings somebody to the job site, etc. So it can get really complicated and detailed fast, but that's why it's so helpful for you to get an attorney who knows what they've been doing. And so if you or anyone you know has been injured on the job in Colorado, or maybe they're hired in Colorado, taken to Wyoming or Idaho or whatever, and injured there, and you need help getting the benefits that you deserve. You need health, and you need your medical care, you need your lost wages, you need other compensation. There is a law firm who's been helping people get the benefits they deserve under the law since 1995. We'd love to help you. Please give us a call at 970-356-9898 or Text us 970-356-9898. Come to our website. We would be happy to help you. Remember, all of our consultations are free, confidential, and no obligation. Get to know what your rights are. Come see us. And with that, thank you so much for spending part of your day today with me. Bye.